Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming drivers and opening the display utilities. Once drivers are current, open your OS display settings and then the GPU control panel. Make sure you have the target resolution, refresh rate, and timing numbers ready. You need those values next. Don't pause, write them down or copy them to a note. This avoids mistakes when entering custom parameters. Once done, proceed directly to create the custom mode inside the GPU utility. You now create the custom mode in the GPU control panel. Select Create Custom Resolution, input the width and height, set the refresh rate, and paste timing values. Choose Reduced Blanking if you're unsure about advanced timings. Click Test or Apply to push the mode to the display. Make sure to observe for image distortion or incorrect scaling. If the panel offers Safe or Test mode, use it. Once you've confirmed a stable picture, save the profile and continue. To apply it in the OS, apply the custom resolution in your OS display settings and adjust scaling so UI elements appear correctly. If you see artifacts, black borders, or no signal, refine timing parameters or try reduced blanking. Make small changes and retest. Save the working profile inside the GPU panel for quick recall. If things go wrong, revert to a saved profile or default driver settings, test with a different cable or port to confirm bandwidth limits, and use the GPU Safe Test option before permanent use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.